Why does your scanner show the P2314 engine code? What does it mean? P2314 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil E secondary circuit. This engine code indicates that this meaning the PCM has detected an issue with the ignition coil or its related components for cylinder E. Cylinder E typically corresponds to the fifth cylinder. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, bad spark plug or wire, wiring and connector issues, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.